It's me. I do have all the bags counted out. From this, and all of these, I've got 1,652 bags. Now I gotta throw these away. $1,653. So there was a bag stuck to my leg. $1,653 bags. And now what I need to do is put them all back outside in the vehicle. And that one's been a pest since he came in from outside. I think he's probably getting hungry because I haven't fed him yet. But I'm going to stop it right here. Please like, please subscribe now. Talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye.